everyone, it's Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today what I have here is a 12 by 12 inch round canvas. Now I'm gonna practice a bloom. I haven't done it in a while and I just want to see if these are good colors to use on a larger canvas. So I'm going to put white down as the puddle. By Folk Art. It's a lavender color, actually. It's not purple, but lavenderish, and it's really glossy. I don't know if you can see. It's a really pretty color. And then I got a little bit of this bronze gold color mixed together. Some of that on there. This violet by Liquitex. Seems to be a little thick, but maybe not. Oops, I'm good at making messes here. Okay, there's that. And a little bit more of the teal. Get another opaque color in there. And gonna try a little bit of this red. I'm not sure where the red came from. I'll look it up and put it in the description box though. I'll put a little bit of this color once again, and then I'm gonna try to blow it out. I got the black cell activator. Get a ring and I blow it. this is what attracted me to fluid art. All these beautiful colors and these beautiful sails that you can